The Tata Nexon Infotainment system can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. A reset restores the system to a working state. There are three main types of resets: a soft reboot, which is a quick restart that clears minor glitches without data loss; a factory reset, which wipes the system back to default settings; and frozen screen fixes, which may require disconnecting the battery. The type of reset you need depends on the severity of the issue. The latest Nexon models have gotten OTA updates that include AI-driven diagnostics that are meant to predict and prevent freezes. Always park the vehicle before attempting a reset to avoid distractions while driving. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold the power button or volume knob for 5 to 10 seconds. The system should restart within a minute. For a factory reset, navigate to the Settings menu, usually under System, then Reset, and select Factory Reset. This will erase all saved data like playlists, so back up important information first. If the screen is completely frozen, disconnect the car's battery for a few minutes to force a hard reset. A YouTube video by CarTech India demonstrates button combinations for resets on 2024 Nexon models. However, over-resetting can damage the touchscreen, so only use this method after diagnostics.